Hello. Today we will discuss a new part in the horticulture, that is the nursery. This nursery, what are the nurseries and what is the scope and their importance in the horticulture trades? This nursery is most important part in the cultivation of the horticultural plants or the crops. This nursery is a basic need in the horticulture. Plant propagation technique and practice is a heart or core of horticulture, and this is done in the nursery. This is done in the nursery. The planning and planting materials for horticultural plantation are raised from the seeds or some vegetative propagated parts. Role of mother plant is a prime importance in this case. The faith of nursery, that means importance of the nursery, is depends upon the quality and truthfulness of mother plants. So mother plant is very much essential for this purpose. A good quality mother plant is the most important part in this case. The very good nursery has been required, and this nursery has to be required a good stock of the mother plants. There is not, it depends upon other materials which are present in the nursery, but it is most important is that there is the materials which are present in the nursery is a particularly mother plant stocks. The quality is the most important here, and depending upon that quality and quality structure of the mother plant has to be provided good quality of the multiplied plants. So the plants from the stalk and the scion are most important to collect from the various parts where they are actually present a truthfulness. Mother plants should be selected on the basis of genetical materials, genetical characters, a higher quality character, superior quality characters, and other factors like availability and adaptation in the growing environment. So what is the important and scope of plant nursery in the propagation of the horticulture? Most of the horticulture plants like fruit trees generally here and the perennials, and these perennial nature of the fruit trees are survive and produce fruits for about 100 years. Horticulture has a significant role in human nutrition, provide a number of vitamins, number of minerals, the fibers, the nitrogenous compounds, the proteinaceous compounds. All these are essential for the body of the human. So it is a most important diet, that is the fruit. It plays an important role in the wealth generation and socio-economic status of the farmers also. So by the selling of the materials, by the selling of the fruits, automatically the income of the farmers has to be increased, and by this increasing income, automatically the economic status has to be increased. Another thing is that here most important, most of the horticulture crops are propagated vegetatively, for which nursery units is necessary, and these are the plentiful programs being implemented to develop the nurseries, and they are bringing about the horticultural development. A specific importance of plant nurseries what? What about these important functions? What about it, important things? Number one, that is the seedlings and grafts are produced in nursery, and the fruit which are present in that particular orchard and ornamental garden can be established with minimum care, minimum cost, and their minimum maintenance. Second most specific important is that the nursery planting materials which are available at the beginning of the planting season, in generally at the rainy season. This is important to save the times, save the money, save the efforts of the farmers to raise the seedlings. And third most important specific is there is a wide scope of fruit orchards, ornamentals, vegetables, and landscape gardens are the public interested, which are cultivated generally in the public garden, parks, avenues, etc., highways, roadways, roadsides, and cooperative housing societies, cooperative buildings, etc., etc. What is the role? The role of the nursery, first one is the production. This production of the genetically pure nursery is the most important. And this genetically pure stock is used to multiply the plants. Generally, this pure planting material is essential for healthy and vigorous plant growth. Both stock and scions must be genetically pure. स्टॉक कशाला म्हणायचं की ज्याच्यावर आपण ग्राफ्ट करतो, तो नंतर डिटेलमध्ये आपल्याला येणार आहे. आणि सायॉन म्हणजे ज्याचे आपण कॅरेक्टर वापरणार आहोत ते मटेरियल, तेही आम्ही तुम्हाला सविस्तर पुढे घेणार आहे. Stock on scion should be genetically pure. The planting material should be satisfactory in the quantity and the quality and easily available for the further multiplication. Second point is export of nursery stock. Globalization has improved the characters of export of quality of a particular planting material to other countries. So such materials has to be exported and special techniques has to be made and take a particular efforts and the care required to exporting the all things in the nursery materials. Similarly, a great care is necessary while importing the necessary materials for the outside. Another thing is that employment generation. Nursery is not a one only generating materials of the horticultural crops, but it is a generation of a great employment purpose. There is a huge demand of skilled professionals, skilled persons, and the skill has to be developed within this college students and college activity. We have to be practiced about all these things, and this skill has to be made. You are one of the great profession for the next. Your business, own business is the most important. And what are these things? These are the graftings, these are the budding, potting, repotting materials, other nursery operations. Nursery provides employment opportunity for the technical skills, semi-skills, unskilled labor also. Nursery can itself a very huge, a remunerative enterprise in the changing national scenario, in the national development, the economy development of the nations. Number 4 is the role of nurseries in dryland horticulture. Our areas, particularly some of the districts in the Maharashtra, they are dry. So in that cases particularly practiced and rolled this nursery very well. How? Like India, there are many countries in this world, and India is one of them, which face the droughts every year or particularly in interval of that years. So growing drought tolerance, fruit crops provide assured income to farmers. Horticultural plantation play an essential part in afforestation and other areas, reforestation areas. So this is most important. These are the 4 main things in the nursery, and that is why these are the some tools we look at here. These are essential for the working in the nursery. We already detailed in practicals the naming of these tools and their functions later in the laboratory, particularly or by online lecture also. So this is most important. तर हे नर्सरीचं तुम्ही जर बघितलं तर तुमच्या लक्षात येईल की हे जे रोल्स आहेत हे रोल्स महाराष्ट्रात ज्या वेळेला मुख्यमंत्री म्हणून शरद पवार सुरुवातीला आले त्याच वेळेला दुष्काळी पट्ट्यात फ्रूट कल्टिवेशन आणि फळबाग निर्मितीचे जे प्रोग्रॅम चालवला तो प्रोग्रॅम आहे, तो प्रोग्रॅम इथं अत्यंत महत्त्वाचा आहे. आणि त्यामुळं महाराष्ट्र हे तसं सुधारलेलं, हे पुढारलेलं आणि पहिल्यांदा कुठलंही काम करणारं राज्य आहे. आणि त्यामुळं नर्सरीमध्ये किंवा फळबाग लागवडीमध्ये आणि इतर लागवडीमध्ये आपण नंबर 1 आहोत आणि नंबर 1 राहणार आहोत. तुमच्यासारखे विद्यार्थ्यांनी ह्याच्यात आणखी लक्ष घातलं पाहिजे आणि बऱ्याचशाच गोष्टी आल्या पाहिजेत तुम्हाला. तर इथून पुढं जे चॅप्टर येणार आहेत हे बी अत्यंत महत्त्वाचे आहेत. बेसिक आहे हे सगळं आणि हे बेसिक तुम्हाला कळलं पाहिजे. जरी इथं मोठं असेल दिसत असेल, तुम्हाला मला विस्तृतपणे सांगता येत नसेल तरीसुद्धा हे महत्त्वाचं आहे. आणि हा पेपर मार्क्स पाडायसाठी नाही तर सगळं आत्मसात करण्यासाठी आहे. काय आपण घेतो आहे, काय करणार आहोत आणि पुढं जाऊन काय आपल्याला व्हायचं आहे हे तुम्हाला इथं सांगू शकेल. म्हणून नर्सरी प्लांट्स किंवा हे सगळ्या ज्या गोष्टी आहेत ह्या गोष्टी काय करायच्या तुम्ही लक्षात घ्यायच्या. थँक्यू.